Hey, y'all remember last time though? I'm feeding the duck, the big duck. The big duck come out of nowhere, thinking he'll early. Now the big ducks out here can't party on this block. I gotta feed my ducks, man. Look, just a bitch, man.
That one related to him?
I don't know, but he be bullying all the ass.
Let me get the bread.
Look, he smell that bread. This real bread. What's up, gang? Catch that bitch. That's that real bread.
Oh, you hear it?
Ain't hissing at me. Look at his big ass jit, big as fuck. That's the daddy duck.
They too close.
Cause this real bread. Huh. Out my hand?
Look at the baby.
I feed them.
They scared because they with him.
They not with him, bro. He be trying to bully they
Them? That one is with him.
No, he not, bro. So
They
God.
look alike.
So he be bullying the Look, Jit, I guess Jit the daddy. Jit hump head
Oh, no.
That bit big.
Too close.
Man, what's up? We gang.
No, they need to back up.
We gang. I'm finna go out there. Don't run. I'm gang. Don't run. Look at him hissing. Who the fuck you hissing at, boy? Don't bite him. Fuck around with you. Huh? There you go. They keep taking. He keep taking. Man, I ain't gonna lie. He taking food one more time. Get his ass. Puck his eye. I'm finna throw a big one. Jit gonna get mad. Watch it. Look. I'm finna bait him. I'm finna make him come over here just so he can get his ass beat up. Watch this. Come here. Look, I'm gonna make his ass get beat up. Watch this. Look at that. He's scared. Look at his ugly ass. They finna run him off the block. Look. Go get him. Go get his ass. Beat his ass. Look, get him. Get him. Get his ass, gang. Get his ass. Look. Get his ass. His bitch ass. They some hoes. Hey. Let me feed the babies.
Yeah, feed the baby.
I gotta get my babies full, man. Gotta get all my babies full. Look at him. He coming. Don't make me make old bro. Look, run him off the block, gang. Look, it's scary. Scary. Watch this. I'm finna get his ass beat up. I'm finna get his ass Jade. Y'all watch this. Watch this. Oh, shit. I'm finna get his ass beat up. Look. Get him. Damn, why I ain't get him? I'm gonna get his ass beat up. Yeah, y'all little red face ass.
He too close to me.
Look, just the security guard. Look, all them over there, he over there. I'm gonna make that guy get beat up. What? On game. Make that guy get beat up. I thought.
I'm scared.
Look, y'all see him over there? I'm gonna get his ass Jade. Watch this. Go get his ass. Look, this scary ass. Look at him. Look. Y'all go get his ass, y'all. Go get his ass. Look. I still gotta feed my babies.
Don't be backing up, man. You want my puppy, man? Oh, he mad.
Hey, bro, don't run off no baby ducks. Who you talking to, boy? Who the fuck you talking to, boy?
Why they doing that?
They must see something. What they see?
What?
Who you hissing at? I ain't gonna lie, I'll beat your ass, duck.
They finna fly?
On gang, I'll fade the ass. On my mama. Now just for that, y'all finna get cornbread now. Fuck wrong with them. Huh. They don't want that shit.
Look, that shit fire.
I'll get in the whole thing.
Look at the baby. They scaring the baby.
We can feed the baby.
The baby, look, the baby want, look, they just running the babies. I told you they running the babies.
Hey, bro, tighten up, bro. Stop playing with my dog like that. Hey, y'all go Jay's eye. Go Jay's eye. Look, they finna J his ass. Look, they finna J his ass.
Ooh, fat ass.
Go get his ass, y'all. If I throw them, I swear to God, if I throw some bread. Hey, I'm finna get his ass. Look, they finna J his ass. Watch this.
Yeah.
Get him. Run his ass off the block. look, I'm finna make them run him off the block. He trying to get clips. Watch this, y'all.
Yeah.
He finna get ran off the block on game. Watch this. Just chill, bro. I gotta let their ass surround him first. Watch
They
this.
were leaving.
No, they not, man. They see this bread, they smell this shit. Look, they finna run him off the block. Get his eye. Get him. Get him.
It's too late. It's not
He's a bitch. Got some real bread for y'all.
That is scary.
Look, big pieces. Big pieces, y'all. Big pieces. Look, that be on his foot. Look, they finna pluck his eye on game. But one of y'all better pluck his eye. So y'all don't see that bread on his back. So
He's big as fuck.
I think they scared of him. That's the one with the hump on his head.
Look at it.
Look, they scared of his eye.
Look at the neck.
Oh
dog.
shit, he found that bit. Look, he trying to get up out of there. Look, a big piece. I'm finna feed my baby ducks though. You big as man, who the man, nigga? Fuck man. Fuck nigga. Stop playing, man, nigga.
Okay, I'm gonna get into them bitches.
Look, run his out the block, y'all. Fuck around, buddy.
They're
Oh.
scaring a baby.
So man, the baby still gonna eat. Look, check me out. I'm QB. Damn, y'all scaring the babies out the block. Oh shit. Oh
I
shit.
told you they were related to him.
They faded. But last time he was beating their ass.
Babies?
Come here. You ain't eat all day. You playing security guard. I got your game. Look, that bitch with the hump on his head don't play, boy. Look, her hissing and shit. Who you talking to? Ugly ass. Fuck, nigga, stop playing with me.
Okay.
Yo, ugly ass. Stop playing with me, hissing at me and shit. You too, yo, ugly ass. Fuck wrong with
You
him?
need it right there the most. You need to hit that one.
Who need to eat? Him?
No, hit him.
Hit him?
That one right there.
Which one? The white one?
Right there.
The white one?
Yeah. No. With the neck, the long
The
neck.
big one?
Yeah.
Yo, big ass. Fuck wrong with your big ass.
Keep missing him. Let me do it. I'm not gonna do that. All right.
I'm gonna feed their ass some cornbread now.
Hit him. With
I'm finna make them run him off the block, boy. He playing.
Where's
Look at
that?
him. They ain't playing with his
Where
ass.
he at? Right there, right? In the back.
Look at the one with the hump on his head. Just not
Oh, I
playing.
want that one.
He the daddy or something. That bitch a bit.
I'm gonna hit it.
But they over there quiet as fuck.
Look at that baby. Get it, yep. I have it.
Why you better not do fuck with them babies? Fuck wrong with him?
Look at the right ass off the block.
Hump head eye. I'm finna make them run him off the block too. I said, who is you? Hiss?
Look.
Fuck, nigga. Bitch, stop hissing at me, nigga. Look, he ugly as fuck.
Look at that tongue.
You ugly, dude. Fuck wrong with you?
Fat ass.
Yeah, hissing back, bitch.
Let me feed my friend.
Keep hissing, yeah. You ain't getting no food, nigga. What? Keep hissing, yeah. You
Yeah.
ain't getting no food. Yeah.
Look, up.
Look, they finna get his ass. He's scary.
Look, get him.
That's what I said. I'm finna make his ass come over here. But he's scared. Go get the food, scary ass nigga. That's what I said. But he's oh shit. That's what I said.
No, throw it back.
Look at that. Oh my god. He's a bitch. Y'all seen that fish?
Look, look at the water.
Feed my baby ducks.
Oh, they're so cute.
He the good one. This bitch with the hump on his head be trying to hiss at a bit. Come on. First duck to get out of my hand, get a whole bread of loaf. A whole loaf of bread. Look, this a big piece. Oh, you scared now? You ugly ass. You ugly as fuck. Bop. 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 Huh, I know he ain't scared. Oh shit, he scared the fuck out of me, boy. He scared my ass. Long neck ass.
You see how he was looking at you?
Yeah, like,
His head too.
I'm finna make them go get his ass. Go get his ass, y'all. Look.
Get it for me?
Yeah, hold it up.
I'm scared.
Oh, God, I can feed my baby ducks now. I can feed my baby ducks. Come on. Come on, y'all. Get it in, get it in, get it in. Hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up, y'all. Get it in, get it in. Hurry up, hurry up. I'm about to say, y'all go get his ass, y'all. Go get his ass. Go get his ass. It's scary ass. Look, man, yo, look, hump head ass. Hiss at me again. Yeah, hiss at me again, yo, ugly ass. Look, hump head. He think he the daddy.
Yeah.
You the daddy nigga, not even finna starve. Fuck wrong with you? Every time I hold it in your hand, huh? You ugly as fuck, boy. You get mad at everybody eating your hump head ass. Now I'm finna keep feeding my dog. What? You gonna... Look, now you wanna fade him. See, bro? Prime example. When you getting bread, even your own dogs will turn on you. You see that, bro? Stop pocket watching your ugly ass. You ugly as fuck. Yo, hump head, now I'm finna feed all the rest of them. Look, he running there off the block. Oh, shit. Hey, man, tell them folks, tighten up. Hey, tell them folks, tighten up. Look, go get him.
I'm finna go away from these dudes.
They scared of his ass. He run all them there. Look, got the little ducks over there looking crazy. Got my baby ducks over there. Come on, I'm finna feed y'all one out my hand. It's a big one. If y'all don't grab this, y'all dumb. Come on, humphead. You so bad, huh? Bitch, you ugly. I know he gonna grab it. You trying to act tough, I'll slap you out of a piece of bread. Fuck wrong with him. Come on, bro, I fuck with you. Come on, bro, stop looking at me like that, bro. What the fuck? You ugly dude, stop fucking hissing at me. You ugly ass. Huh. Boss. I'ma name him Boss. I'm a dog. Bro, that's a big ass piece of bread, bro. Y'all telling me y'all don't want no bread? But I ain't trying to get y'all. All right, just for that. Just for that. Look, watch this. Damn.
The fuck?
Damn.
These are vultures.
They run them boys off the block. Off
That's
the blizzard.
saucy ass bread. Okay, that's enough. No more for them.
Nah, I'm finna get them ran off the block one more time right quick.
We just fed them this whole thing.
Why y'all chasing the look at the baby
I'm
duck?
talking about the whole thing. They still hungry. Damn.
Y'all gonna separate the baby duck from his mama?
You got the flies and shit in and shit.
Man, fuck that.
Trying to feed
I'm
everybody.
finna get their ran off the block. Watch this, watch this. Watch this. Look, what I do, come over here, right? And throw some bread like this. Boom. Look.
Don't do that at me, for real.
Look, buddy coming. Look. Look, watch this. Oh, shit.
Look at the big one. Look at the big one. Come.
Look, yo, hump head. Why y'all running him off the block? Look, man, fuck that. Let's feed my dog again. But he don't like that shit. His big head you keep trying to take them people food.
He getting everything.
Look, watch this. Look, go get his ass, gang. Watch this. Look, yeah, scary. How y'all scared of these ducks? Look, running out the block. Gotta feed my baby ducks. Get it. Damn. Gotta feed my baby ducks. Got me fucked up. Not the mama. Not the mama stealing from her babies. Oh my God. That is not no mother life. Over here. Boom. Got him. Boom. Got him. All right, boom. Got him again. Go get it. Damn, look, just slide. Yeah, slide. Got it. All right. I got it. Get it. Damn. Let me get a piece.
They need to go.
What I mean? Watch this. I bet money I make it to my baby ducks. I'm a QB for real. I do this shit. Watch this. Baby duck, go. Watch this. Baby duck, go. Damn, they didn't get it. Oh, yeah. Let me throw it for them.
I'm not a QB.
I'm QB. Watch this. My name is Lamar. Tell me, watch this. Baby duck, go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, baby duck, go. I ain't even see that, babe.
The big one.
Look. I'm finna make them run him off the block, y'all. One more time before I slide.
Get it.
He talking about shoot one. Can you wild as boy? If I shoot one, it's gonna be his little hump head. I think he runs some shit.
Where he at?
Be hissing at me and shit. Hump head. He the only one with a hump on his head. I think that's why they scared of his eye. That's a big duck. Ain't gonna lie, buddy. You should fade his eye. You fade his eye, you might win. Oh yeah, QB. Baby duck. Baby duck.
Got it.
Got buddy way over there. Done ran his off the block. Ugly
I
eye.
hate this duck.
Where he at? Him over there? Watch this. I'm finna get his ass ran off the block. Watch this. Watch this. I ain't even playing with their ass. Some cornbread. Watch this. I'm finna get the nigga ran off the block. Playing on my fucking top, man. Playing on my fucking top. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Get that ran off the block. Watch this. Y'all check this out now. Y'all see it? Watch this. Watch this. Watch this.
No more food for them.
Watch this. Watch this. Look, he finna get ran off the block. Y'all see it? It's in process. Boom. He right here think he finna get some food. Right? I throw it back that way.
No, throw it by him.
Throw it this way. Look. Oh, shit.
Fuck that.
Bro, he a bitch, bro.
I'm gonna duck the whole cornbread.
Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Look, out of that. Oh, shit. Look. It's scary as fuck, bro. Look, they walking down on his ass. Hey, Asia, make him come right here. Make him come right here. Bro, we gotta make him come right here, bro. They can get all this shit.
But I ain't gonna
But they ain't going nowhere.
Bitch, they been out here for like a whole hour. Eating.
See y'all, that's what I do.
You gotta put the food by the duck so they can't come.
He's a bitch.
He is.
He wanna come back on the block now. I'm finna get his ass. Both of their ass off.
Scary.
I don't know, that's a big ass dog though. That bitch big. I bet he go to hiss and watch this.
So fucking
Hiss, come on.
You went to the pool? Corona.
Them bitches eat grass and all. That's why they so fucking big. Look, all them bitches eating grass. This is the only cornbread I got for y'all, man. But they been eating for like an hour. Look, Jip always playing security. I swear to God, he been playing security the whole time, bro.
Yeah.
Yes, bro. All the other ducks be over here eating. He over there watching his duck. See, bro. See him? He could roll with me. That'll be my number one dog right there. He could roll with me. And he the ringleader. I'm gonna name him Boss.
That's the one right there? That
Yeah, he's a bitch. That one over there, he's a bitch.
that one real?
He's a bitch. No, that one fake. But I'm gonna call him Boss. That's his name. Hump on his head, Boss.
All right.
And then you got him. He bigger than Boss, but he's scared of Boss. What I'm gonna name him? Damn. I'm gonna name him Luther. Luther. So you got Luther, you got Boss, and you got security guard. Look at security guard. Look at security guard. Hey, Boss. Boss. Come here, Boss. Yeah, you. Come here. Luther. Come, Boss.
They ate everything.
Look at, bro. What's his name? I'm gonna name him. Damn, what's a good name for bruh? Cause he like to play security guard. He like to be by himself. Look, he over there eating grass and shit. That's why he's so big. I'm gonna go to hit some, bro. I'll not get y'all knocked off. You ain't make noise all day. Don't stop trying to act tough. Ain't gonna lie. What the fuck? Jit big like Luther. Jit big like Luther. Bro, Luther big, but they ain't gonna lie. He kind of big too. What Boss at? Oh, Boss sneaking his way over there. Then you got what I'm gonna name bro over here?
What a hump.
Hump. Boss right there. Stop hitting Boss like that. G shit.
Fuck him.
Luther big as fuck.